Tired of struggling with heavy swing gates? Manual opening wastes time and energy every day. Rain, cold, or heat, always a hassle at the gate. Worried about gate security for your property? Remote locations make gate access even harder. Meet the TOPENS PW502 automatic gate opener. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Effortlessly opens dual swing gates up to 16 feet per arm. Handles gates up to 550 lbs, no sweat. Ultra-quiet motors for peaceful operation. Open gates, inward or outward, your choice. Perfect for homes, ranches, farms, and courtyards. No more getting out of your car in bad weather. Remote control kit included for easy access. Multiple security features keep your property safe. Advanced TOPENS code technology protects against unauthorized entry. Electromagnetism limit switch adjusts easily. Obstacle detection stops and reverses for safety. Auto-close feature secures your gate after leaving. Soft start and stop extends motor lifespan. Manual release key for backup access. Installation is simple, just basic tools needed. Follow the user manual or installation video. Compatible with various dual swing gate types. AC powered, solar compatible for flexible installation. Optional battery and solar panel for off-grid use. Personalize your setup for your needs. Before TOPENS, daily struggle, wasted time, frustration. After TOPENS, effortless access, peace of mind, security. No more wrestling with gates in bad weather. No more worrying about unauthorized access. Enjoy reliable smart gate operation every day. TOPENS brings over 25 years of expertise. Trusted by homeowners, farm owners, property managers. 12-month warranty and 30-day exchange and return. Excellent customer service and technical support. Visit TOPENS website for manuals and installation videos. Get professional solutions for any questions. TOPENS accessories available for smarter living. Imagine driving up. Gate opens with a click. Family and guests enjoy easy, secure access. Property stays protected even when you're away. No more manual effort, just convenience and comfort. Upgrade your lifestyle with smart gate automation. Simple installation, powerful performance. TOPENS PW502 fits your gate and your needs. Choose push to open or pull to open installation. Flexible power options for any location. Reliable operation, even in tough conditions. Protect your property with advanced security features. Stop and reverse keeps people and pets safe. Auto close gives you peace of mind. Soft start and stop, longer motor life. Ready for a smarter, easier life? Order the TOPENS PW502 automatic gate opener today. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Transform your gate experience. Effortless, secure, reliable. TOPENS PW502, your solution for smarter gate automation. Visit our website now to learn more and order.